today's episode of MotoCheez.
Maybe you can hire
the M Team.
The following movie is rated
I.
Got my universal joint in. I hope it's the right size. It's a Moog. Let's hold it up next to it. Sure looks the right size. Well, let's try it. I don't know if I mentioned to you guys, but I did find the fuel filter here. Right there. Of course, it's in a spot that's not easily accessible. I have my doubts, but that one is a little stiff.
Well,
that one's good. I have my doubts. So small. I'm used to working on bigger stuff.
That's what she said.
I think this is too big.
That's what she...
Yeah. Can't even get in there to... Usually you can hit those universal joints down to pop the cap. Pop a cap. I could do my press, but I need something that's going to cradle this. So it'll push just the end caps. And there ain't much... maybe there is. That's tiny.
That's what she said.
Put some PV blaster on it.
That's what she said.
Thinking, boys, I'm thinking. I mean, maybe I could punch on that part. Yeah, maybe. I don't want to break this by hammering on that either. Well, might be moving, boys. All right. Let's see how these look. Bearings are intact. Need a little bigger persuader. There's one. Oh, it's going. Man. Can't get a good hit. If I had something that pushed against that and a socket on this side, what if I cradled this in a vise and hit that through? Oh yeah. Look at that, boys. Looks like all I got in there is burnt grease. Never did it like this before.
That's what she said.
Yeah. Ooh, that one's really dry. Drier than a popcorn fart. Yeah, look. So that one was definitely lacking grease. I'm glad I didn't try to drill a hole in one of the end caps, because this spicer does not have the holes drilled all the way through to each one. There's one of the caps. There's another one. They weren't terrible. There's another one, a little dry. And that's the one. The seal looks good too. I don't know. Must have just dried up.
That's what she said.
Boy, a lot of that's what she said's on this one. Clean this up. Should be good. Should be. Now this does come with a grease fitting, which I should probably put. This is always going to be straight. I'll put it on this piece because it doesn't matter really. It doesn't matter. Don't want to drop one of those needles. Squeeze that in a hair more. Well, looks like it's going to work. That's a little tight, but tap on these to open it up. I always make sure that it fits in a groove, which this isn't right now. I'm going to go a little more. Oh, it'll work. That groove is accessible.
That's what she said.
That's what he said. There. It's a little tight, see? So, gotta give it a little tap-tap-a-roo.
All you gotta do is just tap it in. Just tap it in.
That's nice. Oh yeah, this one's a little tight. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Hey bear. Now I know it's the right size. I'll order another one so I can do this. This one's good. This one's, well, that one's good too. Let's bolt this baby back in there. Take it for a test drive.
A few moments later.
Alright, Atari. Let's see if we solved your little whatever noise that is when we're driving down the road about 50. Been starting really good lately, especially when it's hot. I mean, it starts right up. So let's see. Let you warm up a bit. I ordered new plugs too, just in case. They look like they had a little bit of carbon on them. A little bit of carbon buildup. They weren't worn out or anything. Looked normal. So it looks like my carburetor mixture is right. Got a few packages going out today. Thanks Mike and thanks Michael. 2 mics today. Actually, one of those are first comment winners. Congratulations. That still goes. First comment on my videos gets a free key tag. Or you can buy yourself one at MotoCheez.com, along with other merch to support my channel. I do appreciate you guys. You've helped me out tons of times with your suggestions. It's always great to have a think tank, a cheesy think tank. So far, so good. Oh, there it is. Still there. What the heck could that be? Well, at least I have a grease fitting on my Ujoint now. I did get the Ordro EP8, the brand new model out to review. They sent me one, except the little gimbal's a little bit too jerky. It moves way too fast. So I'm waiting for them to get back to me, see if there's a new firmware upgrade. I might have to put this up on my lift and get it spun up to like 50 if it'll do it. It should, because when it's not under a load, it does it. And it actually does it under deceleration, which is, that's a little peculiar. That's a weird way to park and leave your car. See how nice it starts after it sits? So I'm just having an issue with cold starts now. It definitely sounds loaded up. Wonder if it's my rear end.
Does your rear end make noise?
That's a bit personal, isn't it?
Very possible.
I can lick any rear end problem you can bring me.
Oh.
It is idling smoother too. So bizarre. I mean, I could change the front universal joint. I guess I will. Now we're just throwing parts at it, boys. Yeah, you can definitely hear something while you're coasting with the clutch in. Very slight rumble. Weird, right? What is it?
I don't know.
Give me some suggestions. Well, back to the drawing board. Mounted my 360 camera under here. Let's take it for a ride. See if we can see anything. There it is. What the heck is it? As soon as I let off the gas a little bit, I give it gas and it goes away. If I let off all the way, it goes away too. But it's right in between, like when it's coasting. I'll push the clutch in and try it. No. So it's when you have just a tiny, tiny bit of throttle. Grab the camera and see what we got.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.